Hello. My name is John Edwardson. I am Steven's assistant. Steven, the billionaire, is a great guy. He's not great at giving directions, though. So, here's the shtick. You gotta convince Steven that you are the right geneticist to create the next Jurassic Park. That's trademark? Oh. To create the next Extinction Adventure. That didn't sound cool? Oh. 2. Make Extinction Cool Park. Okay. You gotta convince Steven you're the geneticist for that role. Okay? Between you and me, I know you're not geneticists. You gotta convince him you are. Okay? To do that, you gotta put together a 12-slide PowerPoint to convince Steven. Okay? You need some background research on DNA replication and cell replication. That's what it says in my notes here. Steven needs to know that. Okay? Steven needs to know that. Alright. Next thing is, you got to do research on each of your 3 animals that went extinct. What DNA did you find in Spring Lake Park? Yes, that is a weird spot to find DNA like that. Okay. You got to do research on those 3 animals, okay? When did they live? Where did they live? Why did they go extinct? And show me a picture of what we're creating with this whole DNA thing. Alright, sorry. That was a lot of emotion for me. Getting back to it, okay? Can we do it? Should we do it? And what are the consequences to genetically modifying organisms? Okay? Steven wants to know, does nature have power? He wants to know what you as a geneticist think about that. Okay? And if we do this, are we the good guys or the bad guys? Okay. I was also talking to your teacher, Mr. Klopp. Great guy. Wants to see you succeed. Wants to see you do well in biology and science and flourish forever and ever because you know how to learn. He told me to say that. Mr. Klopp will also have 4 reflection questions for you at the determined time, all right? He's also made an incentive for you to do well on this project. The most creative project will get a reward. I don't know what that means. It just says, most creative, reward. It says it right there. Okay. All right. Those are my instructions for you. I'm John Edwardson. Good luck. I don't know what to tell you.